Welcome to our channel. So today we discuss about the how we can activate Google Webmaster tool for purpose of how we can activate for the search console in WordPress website. So I'm selecting one of the website name is called msrtrainings.in. If anyone looking for software training course like data science, Selenium with Java, and we can using for Playwright. If any particular course you're looking for, simple you can contact for msrtrainings.in. In this particular website, how we can activate Google Search Console option. For the reason, first of all, I'll give you the particular steps. Go to Google Search Console, select Search Console option, start now. What is the URL we have? Copy the URL. In this, add properties. Select your property option will be here and click for continue it. After continue, they can verify will be, they give particular one steps. HTML file, HTML tag, Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, and domain name providers. I can activate will be several steps are there. First of all, I'm give HTML tag, copy the particular tag will be here. Go to particular WordPress dashboard. In this dashboard, go to appearance, click for theme file editor. There is nothing required for the particular file will be using for your particular option. So here, what are the file you have used will be here. This is a particular theme editor. If any footer is there, header is there, check it out in the particular option. So the no option will be footer and editor. So that is called, we can go simple step, we can select it will be here. Go to plugin option. In this plugin, we have option name is called add new plugin. That is one of the best plugin name is called insert header and footer plugin. So I'm clicking for insert header and footer plugin. This plugin are more showing for the plugins are there. Which is the useful plugin? The plugin will be utilized in a particular option. So there will be here is the particular option. So WPC code and bridge. When install any particular one, open it, check it out, particular screens. What are the installation before? Check it out the particular screens. So those screens will be helping here in a particular theme method. So click for install now. This one header and footer plugin, we can activate n number of codes, n number of activation. It is possible on your particular plugin option. This will be once you install, after activation, it will be option will be visible by the into plugin option. So after install, activation is the compulsory important each and every plugin. So we can go to the installed plugins. So based on your servers, they will be show your particular option will be speed or fast will be activated. So all in one inside and footer plugin, we can go with here. So check it out. It is installed or not. Check it out will be in this particular option. Just scroll down. Done. Where you can check it out, go to settings. Here will be visible by the each and every option. So what is the option will be here? Activate. Compulsory, what are the themes or plugin install? Activation is the first important. Without activation, we can't do nothing on your particular WordPress website. After activation, go to your particular settings. Here visible by the your particular header and footer plugin. So where you can add the code, add this code will be here, save changes. After the save change, you can go to click for verify. There is a fraction of seconds, the plugin will be activation your Google Search Console code. So I'm not requiring any kind of plugins. I'm not looking for any kind of theme editor code. The simple one, activation method, go to settings. Here is the ownership verification. Here HTML file, click for download it. After download, which hosting are you using will be here. We can go to that particular hosting. In a hosting, there's a call nothing but file manager. Go to file manager. In this file manager, what are the files you're uploading will be here. The file public underscore HTML. Here it is called download and upload. Click for upload. This is a file, not for folder. What are the file you have uploaded here? After uploading, click for verify it. In a fraction of seconds, that is a verify will be done. With a plugin and without plugin, we can activation will be Google Search Console will be activation. So I'm not interested in anything. The simple file you have to upload, that is called you can activate one Google Analytics option. The activate will be Search Console and Analytics also will be applicable. So compulsory important. Any activation in a Google Analytics will be activation will be done. The activate will be Google Search Console also will be accept will be done. So any further videos, how you can activate Google Search Console along with analytics, please contact our channel, see the video and activate your Google Search Console by using Google Analytics option. If any further question, please contact our channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.